If you have been searching for ways to earn extra income online without sacrificing your daytime commitments to do your 9 to 5 job or your other businesses or to take care of your home as a housewife, then this video is certainly for you. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down two legitimate remote jobs that not only pay well but can also be done entirely during evening or night hours from anywhere in the world. These are not side hustles that pay pennies. They are real opportunities that companies are actively hiring right now. Whether you are a night crawler balancing other commitments during the day or you are living in a different time zone, these jobs offer the flexibility and financial potentials to fit your lifestyle. I'm going to be telling you what each job involves, where you can find them, the skill you need, and how to stand out when applying. But before I go further, you are welcome. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel, I always share different ways to make passive income online, to earn extra income online. If you love this type of content, do well to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. The first platform is called Appen. On Appen, you can literally work anytime of the day, either morning, afternoon, or night hours. Appen is a global AI training platform that hire remote workers to help them improve machine learning system. And the juicy part is that you don't need to be a tech person. You don't need to have a tech experience qualify for qualify to work on this platform. Your job function on this platform include number one, carrying out different projects of categorizing content, evaluating search engine results, and labeling images. The second job function you can do on this platform is carrying out micro tasks that you can literally complete in few minutes. This involve helping to train AI that powers tools like ChatGPT, Google Translate, and other AI tools, even without knowing that's what you're doing. But you will just practically work on this platform to train AI tools. The juicy part of this job is that it is very flexible. You choose a stable schedule for you. Either you want to work during morning hours, afternoon, or midnight hours. And it is a very quiet job. No Zoom meeting or call, just you and your screen. You can start working immediately once you are approved. To get started, all you need to do is to head over to appen.com. When you come to appen.com, you will see an interface like this. So this is their official website. You go through this and see what this is all about. So when you are okay with this, you head over to their career page and click on career. When you click on career, you see different positions available. So you choose any one stable for you. Like I said, this is a real opportunity that is paying very, very well. So when you see any position that is stable for you, you click on apply and you submit an application and wait for evaluation and review of your application before you know whether you'll be accepted or not. They actually pay well on this platform. Like you can earn up to $10 to $12 per hour on this platform, and you can work from anywhere in the world that has good internet connection. So to know more about how much you can earn on this platform and every other thing regarding the payment, you can also go to success.appen.com to see all the analysis of their payments and how what you can earn for each job done. So this is practically how you can get started on this platform. You can actually use your phone, but you need to go to your phone browser and type www.appen.com, and you see the first interface like this. Then you click on career, get started. When you click on get started, you see different things. You can join as crowd member login. You can also read so many things about this platform before you get started. You can contact them. But if you want to check out their different position available, you go to jobs.liver.com slash appen. You will see different job available. You choose the one most stable for you. Then you want to know how their payment works. You come to success.appen.com to learn more about this. So this is the first one. The second one is easy to do, though the platform is still very new, but it is a growing platform. If you have ever worked in a formal office setting before, maybe you have done an admin work or a secretary or organizational work before, then you most certainly will fit in this platform. The name of this platform is called Alice. Alice is a growing remote job platform that offers night-friendly jobs in different fields by providing support to businesses in several areas like customer service, human resources, finance, operation, and marketing. Alice platform has different roles from junior level to advanced level, and they have different departments you can actually work in depending on your interests. In some cases, you can start as a part-time worker and then grow into full-time employee with different incentives. To get started, all you need to do is to apply. Go to alice.com. When you come to alice.com, you see an interface like this. So what you need to do is to select your country. You click on join. You click on join. You click on join Team Hello Alice and you choose your country and you apply. Ensure that you highlight your abilities in your resume, your ability to communicate and other abilities you have. Ensure that you put all of that in when you're signing up. So you choose your country and you apply. Depending on the type of services you'll be offering, you can earn up to $20 per hour, between $10 to $20 per hour. So you know how many hours you can work in a day, and that determines how much you can earn. So you can actually earn up to $300 per day working on this platform. So once you apply, you wait for them to approve, and once you are approved, you will start earning. So you can go scroll down on this platform to see the benefit of working on this platform. One of the benefits is that you can work from anywhere in the world. They have competitive salary and different benefits attached to working on this platform. So something you need to go through it, and then if it's very suitable for you, you can click on sign up and fill all the information required, selecting your country, ensure that you listing or highlighting all your ability, and then you apply and wait for approval. So this will be all for this video. The two platform legitimately hiring people to work remotely during night hours. So let me know in the comment section which of them you'll be trying, or if you have tried any of them before. And also leave a comment if there's anything on how to earn passive income you want me to treat in my next video. Thank you for watching. I will see you again in my next video.